Hello and welcome to another video here. Working on the Ford. Got some lighting upgrades to do to it. Just kind of add some style to it and make it so that you can see deer at night. Nearly hit a couple of them now. Which, I mean, I'm not too concerned with that bumper on there, but just for peace of mind so I can see them before I hit them, you know. See the look of fear in their eyes, I guess. Stay tuned, I'll show you. Alright, so these are the lights for the front in the brush guard there. They're a 7-inch diameter round LED. I'm thinking of putting them right in here. I gotta weld some tabs on. So overall, you know, this is the first time I've ever used these. That's the brand. They look pretty good. I don't know how bright they are. I don't know anything about that yet. But I'm gonna get them all, figure out what I'm gonna do for some tabs, weld them on, get them wired up. I actually have the switch and everything already run. I just got to make a harness right here. This is for my plow lights. So I'm just going to hook it up to those. I also have these three, same brand. Where does it say it? Right there. So came with the wiring harness and everything. So I got a fuse box here too, so everything can wire in clean. One main supply and then individual ones out, so it can look nice and clean. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. I'm actually going to tie in my fuel pump and everything else to it too, because right now this is the wire to my fuel pump, so that's going to get fuse panels going to get stuck right down in here with that fuse block, and then I'll start running all the wires. So stay tuned, I'll show you as I go. Alright, so here's what I got. 2 tabs, 2.5 inches long, just welded on here. Got drill holes in them yet, but pretty much centered on those 2 uprights right there. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to drill the hole and mount the lights, see how they look, and then paint it and wire it. So alright, so here they are installed. Here are the wires going back into the cab. And then here's the fuse panel mounted. So I hooked my fuel pump in the first one, my lights in the second one. So they do work. So if I come over here, flip the plow switch light, like, those are super bright. I mean, it's lighting it up all the way down to the end. So yeah, I also installed LED headlights, which you can see down there. They're just temporary until I get my actual headlight units. Giving a little bit of an update on what's coming. But this is going to get a facelift. But yeah, that's what I got done today, was headlights and off-road lights. Shut the hood here. I think they look good on the front, personally. Like I said, super bright. So thanks for watching. I'll get to the other lights that are going up there here soon. But thanks for watching. Alright, so I got the driver's side in, or the passenger side, I'm sorry. I think it looks really, really good. Makes the front end pop a little bit more. I mean, just that, a little more aggressive looking, cleaner looking. And that's just one. Wait till the grill and the passenger side are done. The grill's going to be like another week or a couple days because of what I got to do to it. So get onto the driver's side and then show you how it looks. Alright, so here it is all done. Adds a nice aggressive look to it. You know, it is a work truck, but I like a stylish work truck. So here's what they look like on. I like how it looks. A lot cleaner, a lot more aggressive. These headlights are much brighter than a factory one, these LEDs that I got. So I have, the grill is going to get done here in the next day or so. And basically to match the headlights, black and white. Because I painted that outer ring, so to match that. And then the bumpers were just sprayed real quick when I stuck them on here. Same with the flatbed. That's all going to get repainted so it looks all nice again. And then it's going to get new rims and tires here soon too. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.